Hello friends, I am Parinita. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive regular notifications regarding computer science tutorials, important educational information and technical job updates.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel to polish your CSE concepts with me. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to discuss something very important. As you can see in the screen, we are going to talk about IIT Madras online degree program. So guys, as we all know that nowadays this pandemic period is going on, fine. So all the students are confused that how they can utilize this time by their best, how they can do something really worthy in this time period. So IIT Madras, looking into these situations, taking into consideration this pandemic period, IIT Madras is the first university that is providing something known as online degree program. So guys, this is really going to be very important because we all know that how much valuable a degree from IIT generally is, right? So by doing this, by opting for this, you will get the opportunity to learn from an institute like IIT. You will be getting a required or an eligible degree that you can use for your lifetime, and throughout your life you will be really called an alumni of IIT Madras once you are clearing and once you are getting this degree in your hands, fine. So this is actually a very big opportunity for all the students who want to go for it. So in this video, what I am going to do is I will be showing the fees, the eligibility criteria. I will be showing you all the highlighting points that how this degree is really going to be helpful to you. I will share all the important points with you so that you can take a decision by yourself that whether you want to go for it or not. And even after going through the highlights, if you want to see this whole thing in detail, you can just visit IIT Madras official website and you can get all the details there. Fine. So let's see that what this degree is all about. So see what they are actually providing. They are providing programming and data science. They are providing the degree on programming and data science. So you all must already been knowing that programming and specifically data science. Nowadays there are many students who have already asked me that ma'am, how we can be data scientist. So we all know that how much valuable being a data scientist is nowadays. It is one of the most booming technologies today, fine. Data scientist, like working with artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science is one of the most exciting things that students want to do nowadays. So with the help of this degree, you will be eligible to do that. You can be a data scientist if you are getting this degree from IIT Madras. So see what they are providing. They are providing the degree on programming and data science. IIT Madras, India's top technical institute, welcomes you to the world's first online BSc degree program in programming and data science. So this is the first time, as I told you, that this is the first time that someone is providing online degree, BSc degree in programming and data science, and getting it from one of the brands like IIT Madras is like one of the best opportunities one can opt for. So see, you can download the brochure from here and you can get each and every details there, but let's see, I will still tell you all the important points regarding this degree. See, what they have done is they have provided you the sample of first week content and assignments. So many students, because I will show you that there is a good amount of fees also. So many students are having the question that okay, once we pay the fees but we don't like the content, then what we can do? Fine. So the such type of questions are already there in the students' mind. So what they are doing is, as you can see in the screen here, they have already provided the sample for the first week content and assignments. That means without paying any fees, without doing any registration, any login, anything, you can simply go to their website and you can simply download the content for the week 1. You can go through all the content. If you found it valuable, if you found it worthy, then only you have to go ahead and you can pay the fees and you can enroll for it. Fine. So this is actually a very big opportunity and very good opportunity that you can go for it. You can view all the contents, you can view the assignment, you can see that whether that level suits you or not, and then and only then you can proceed. See, I have already opened and I have checked them that what these contents are about. So basically what they have done is, you can see the 4 types of courses they have given: mathematics for data science, statistics for data science, computational thinking and English. So we are having 4 different courses. So after you click on any course, you can go through all the courses also. Inside each subject, what they have done is, for week 1 content they have given you 8 to 10 videos. Fine. In week 1 they have given you 8 to 10 videos. They are not that big, so you can simply go to these videos. Though in those videos you will find very qualified, very experienced faculties teaching you there. Fine. So you can go and check anyway. So there you can find the actual content, valuable content from valuable faculties teaching you mathematics for data science, statistics for data science, computational thinking and English. You can go and check the content, and if you like the content, if you think that they will be valuable and worthy for you, you can go forward and then you can enroll for the program. So yes, after those 8 to 10 video lectures, they have given you assignment also, that based on those video lectures, whatever they are making you learn in those video lectures, there are questions, there are assignment questions that you need to solve. Fine. So they have already given it free, openly available for everyone, so that every student can check it first before enrolling. So see, they have given you timeline also. This timeline is very important if you want to enroll for it. Application has already been opened on 3rd August 2020. So the application is already opened. Now up till when the application is open, there are 2 conditions. Whichever will occur first, the application will be open till that. See, either 2.5 lakh applications or 15th September 2020. So 15th September 2020 is anyway the last date. You can not enroll it after 15th September 2020, but let me tell you, the second condition is, once 2.5 lakh applications, once they will receive 2.5 lakh applications, they will immediately close this application. So let me tell you, because as you already know, the name of IIT Madras is already enough, and nowadays data science is also one of the booming technologies. So I would suggest you that if you are interested, don't wait till September. Consider it like by the end of August. If you do it, it will be best. Fine, because 2.5 lakh applications for IIT Madras is not that big deal. So it is possible that once you will try in the first or second week of September, but up till then the applications may have closed. So if you are really interested, I would suggest you that by the end of August you should apply for it without taking any risk, right? And okay, qualifier courses start on 5th October 2020. So anyhow, by 15th September the applications will get closed, and whoever are the students who have successfully applied for the course, enrolled for the course, their qualifier courses will start from 5th October 2020. Fine. Okay, IIT Madras, we all know how important IIT Madras is. And then what they have told, yes, see, these points are very important. That first of all, who can join these courses? Can be pursued as a second degree by someone currently in college. Anyone who has dropped out of or completed their bachelor's degree may apply. No age or stream or geographical restrictions. See, this is actually very important, that no age limitation, no stream, no geographical restrictions, without any restrictions or without any limitation, anyone who is interested can enroll for this degree. This is one of the most important things of this degree. So if you are currently studying something and if you want to pursue it as a second degree, you can go for it. If you have already completed your bachelor's degree, or if you have dropped off, like you have done 1 or 2 years of your bachelor's degree and you have not completed your degree, then also you can go for it. I think the only condition is, if you are interested enough to pursue this degree, you can simply go for it. So these are the points that they have mentioned. Apart from that, what they have written, that what is being offered. So what are the main things that are offered in this degree? Diploma in programming, diploma in data science, and BSc degree in programming and data science. So these are the basic 3 things that are being offered. You can go for any of the 3 according to your interest. are these official diplomas and degree of IIT Madras? Because many students are having the doubt that as these are online courses, will it be official courses, will it be worthy enough? So as an answer to this, they have written here that yes, IIT Madras Senate approves and offers the diplomas and degrees. Degree holders become the alumni of IIT Madras. So yes, it will be as valuable as IIT Madras any degree is, and once you complete this degree, if you have this degree, you will be actually called, or you will actually become the alumni of IIT Madras. Fine, so they have cleared this doubt also here. Then they have written, one of the main questions is, what is the qualifier process? So how you can qualify for this course, right? So 4 weeks of online courses and assignments to be completed. So see, this is very important. So it's not like you are enrolling for it, you are paying the fees and then you can become a student, not like that. Because we all know that IIT Madras is there. So kind of you have to prove that you are eligible enough for this degree. So how you can prove that you are eligible enough? 4 weeks of online courses and assignments will be there that you need to complete. Fine. So that means what? 4 weeks of, I have already told that 1 week of online course they have already made available. You can check it out, and that whatever they have kept there for checking, that is for 1 week. So like that, for 3 more weeks you will get. So for 4 weeks you have to complete those online courses, and based on those courses or those tutorials you will get the assignments. You have to complete those assignments also, and based on those assignments you will get the marks. Those who get minimum required scores in weekly assignments in the 4 weeks will get to write qualifier exam broadly based on the 4 weeks of content. Those who will get minimum required scores in qualifier exam will get to register for foundation level courses. So see, this is what the main criteria is, that you will get a 4 week of online courses and assignments. If you get, and they have already set some minimum required scores. So if you get that minimum required scores in the weekly assignment, see, first of all, the basic criteria is in those 4 weeks you have to clear the assignment of all the 4 weeks. Fine. Once you clear the 4 week of assignment, once you clear all the 4 weeks of assignments, then you get to write one big qualifier exam that will basically that will in that final qualifier exam you will get the questions from the content of those 4 weeks. Fine. That will contain all the 4 weeks tutorials questions, and one broad exam will be there. That will be the final qualifier exam. If you are getting the passing marks in that qualifier exam also, then finally you will be called qualified for the foundation level courses. This foundation level courses is actually where your degree begins. Fine. So this 4 week of courses you have to do properly, you have to clear all the exams, and then you will finally be proved to be eligible. Now what is the structure of the program? So see, your structure of the program will be split into 3 levels, and these 3 levels you have to go level by level. Like you can't go to the degree level directly. See, first, second and third levels are foundation level, then diploma level, and then degree level. That means the minimum thing that you can complete is foundation level. Only after completing the foundation level you can go to diploma level, and only after completing foundation and diploma level you can go with degree level. Fine. They have defined the courses also. In foundation level you will be having 8 courses. In diploma level you will be having 6 programming courses plus 6 data science courses, and in degree level you will be having 11 courses. Fine. So these are the 3 levels in which their whole program is divided. Fine. Okay, for more information, here we can go on the academics page. In the academics page I have checked, they have defined everything very clearly and very briefly. You can go through them. World class faculty you will get, obviously, because this is IIT Madras, no doubt you will get world class faculty. You will get flexible hours, like if you are doing any other degree, if you are doing any job, so you will get flexible hours. According to your free time you can access the courses because it is online. Fine. Courses support. Each course will have discussion forums with an active academic team to help in clearing doubt. So this is also very important, that like in the offline classes you are getting your faculties to clear your doubts, here also they are providing you one discussion forum. In the discussion forum, I have checked that there is kind of one Google group they have made for different subjects. You can go to your relevant subject and you can ask your relevant doubts there, and active academic team is already there who will check down your questions and they will be answering you as soon as possible. So this is also one of the good facilities that will be provided to you if you are enrolling for this course. Overall structure, see, first of all, qualifier assignments and exam. Only after you are clearing that qualifier exams, as I have explained, you will be getting the access to foundation level. This foundation level will be having 8 courses and you can complete these 8 courses within 8 months to 3 years. Fine. So this is the time duration. This time duration you have to complete it, and the fees for this foundation level will be 32,000. And terms, see, asterisk sign is there, that means terms and conditions applied. So there is a separate page for fees, you can go through that. Actually they have also given some some offers are also there, and if you are in certain criteria, like if your family income is less than 5 lakh, you will get something. If you belong to some category like SC, ST, OBC, you will get something. So like that, you have to go through that where do you belong, and according to that your fees can vary. They have given the facilities there also, but basically generally the fees is 32,000 for this. Fine. This is the foundation level, that is the very first level. If you wish, you can exit with this foundation certificate also. You will get the IIT Madras certificate, foundation certificate from CCE IIT Madras. That obviously a certificate from them is always worthy. Second, after completing foundation level, if you want to increase your worth after that also, you can then go for diploma level courses, which will consist of 12 courses, and the duration is 12 months to 3 years, and the fees for this diploma level is 1 lakh to 10,000. Fine. And once you complete that, you will get diploma in programming or diploma in data science certificate from IIT Madras, and believe me, this is really going to be very, very worthy for you. And either you are getting diploma in programming or you are getting diploma in data science, that depends on your interest and which course you are applying for. Fine. And after that, again, if you want to go further, you can enroll yourself for BSc degree in programming and data science, and after completing that, you will be getting one legal high level degree of BSc degree in programming and data science from IIT Madras, which is really going to be very worthy. So these are the steps, or this is how the courses are split, this is how the duration and the fees is. So yes, you can think about your condition, your requirement, your area of interest, and if everything sets up, you can go for it. So see, as I have told, all these things are explained again in very detail. And here, interested in our online program, see, here they have given the form. If you are interested in this online program, like you don't want to enroll now, but you are really interested and you want to get updated about their information, you can simply fill this form. They are only asking for a couple of fields, and once you fill it up and click on submit, you will get latest updates or any changes if they are making it in their online program. And once you are sure enough that you want to go for it, you can definitely enroll and you can be qualified. You can go further with the first the trial test, the exams, and then you can go for your degree. So this is one of the important opportunities about which I wanted to inform you. I hope you found it helpful. In case this is not relevant to you, I would suggest you please share it with your other friends also, because I know nowadays data science, programming and all is very important, not only for CSE IT field students, but for other streams also. I have seen students passing out from civil engineering or mechanical mechatronics, and then they are going for data science. So yes, this is anyway a very good information or very good opportunity for the interested people. Please share with them, please share with as many as people as possible. I hope this will be helpful to some other people. Thank you so much.